This year, open house is a little different. We wanted to take a minute and introduce all of the second grade teachers and give you some information about the upcoming school year. I'm Mrs. Abbas, the second grade assistant, and now the teachers will introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Miss Valsamakis, or Miss V.
Hello, I'm Mistress Allman.
I'm Miss Jones.
I'm Miss Clark.
I'm Miss Evans.
And I'm Miss Hathcock.
This year we are taking precautions to keep students and staff safe. All students and staff will wear face masks or shields when social distancing is not possible. We will space out students so we don't have to wear masks all day. We will wear masks in the hallway due to students being in transitions. Please label all supplies because we cannot share supplies this year. We will be washing, sanitizing, and cleaning at every opportunity. We will make every effort to keep everyone safe.
On August the 4th, from 3 to 6, there will be a supply drop-off. Second graders will come to the right side of the building where first and second graders are picked up in the afternoons. Your supplies will need to be labeled so that they go to the correct teacher. At that time, a teacher will come to the car and pick up the supplies, and you will be given a packet that will need to be returned the first day of school.
Your communication is going to be key to knowing what's going on in the classroom and your child being a successful second grader. All of the second grade teachers use the Remind app to communicate with parents, so you will need a working phone number for the app to work. You will sign up, and this will be the way you receive information from the teacher and the way you communicate with your child's teacher. If your phone number changes any time throughout the year, please let your child's teacher know immediately so it can be changed in Remind.
On the first day of school, your child will need a backpack, a water bottle with their name on it, a snack, forms from the packet received at supply drop-off, and a mask.
This is your child's binder for second grade. It'll come home each day. Inside it'll have important information such as a behavior calendar, which you need to initial each night. It'll also have a newsletter. So on the newsletter is important information such as spelling words, sight words, what we're learning about for the week, and your child's teacher's information. On the back, it'll have a homework section and any reminders.
We hope this virtual open house helps us all begin school successfully. We'll have more information once school starts. If you have any questions, please contact your child's teacher through email or Remind. We can't wait to meet all our sweet second graders.
Yes.